Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Namakando Academy, your #1 academic helping hand. With us here, we have a problem where we are supposed to differentiate with respect to x. The function y is equal to 5x to the power 4 plus 4x minus 1 over 2x squared plus 1 over cube root of x squared. Please try to pause the video and see how far you can go. Alright, so let's get started. Now, before differentiating this function of ours, we'll need first to do some simplification because we can't differentiate these fractions the way they are presented, as we can see that the variables are on the denominators. So we'll need to represent, or rather present them as numerators. Okay, so to do this, we simply need to apply some laws of exponents. Okay, so now our y will be equal to 5x to the power 4 will be left the way it is. Then we say plus 4x minus. So this is the same as saying half. Now x will multiply with 1 there. We'll together with the exponent, so the exponent becomes a negative. Then plus. This which we see here is cube root of x squared is the same as x. This power which is inside becomes the numerator, and the one which is outside becomes the denominator. So this, upon shifting to go where there's the numerator there, the exponent will become negative 2 over 3. So in this state which it is presented in, it is now safe to simply introduce differentiation. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. So say that our dy dx will be equal to, now 4 according to the power rule will multiply with the 5, it will give us 20, then we'll have x. Then the 4 which we have as the exponent for x, there it will reduce by 1, so you get 4 minus 1 which is a 3. Then here 1 will come and multiply with the 4, you get the 4. Then the x which is the power 1, you subtract the 1 and the exponent becomes 0. Hence x to the power 0 as we know it is 1, meaning that you just get a 4 for this part. Then negative 2 will come this side. There's a minus here. We'll have negative 2 this side. This one will multiply with half. Then the same x will be raised to the power of negative 2. Then subtract a 1. Okay, then we have a positive negative 2 over 3 will multiply with x. Then we say negative 2 over 3 as the power, subtract a 1. So this further simplifies to our dy dx to be equal to 20x to the power 3 plus 4. Now this 2 and that 2 cancel. Negative and negative yields a positive. Then 1 times x gives us x to the power negative 2 minus 1 gives us a negative 3. Then positive and negative gives us a negative. Then we have 2 over 3. There will be x this side. Now this negative 2 over 3 we'll say minus. This one which we have here is the same as 3 over 3. Upon simplifying this, then our denominator is definitely 3. Negative 2 minus 3 will become negative 5 over 3. So here our exponent is negative 5 over 3. We can simply clear this part here. Okay, we continue. So we will have our dy dx to be equal to 20x cubed plus 4. This exponent, which is negative, it will become our denominator. Hence, our x will be raised to a positive exponent this time around. Then you have minus. There's a 2, then there's a 3 this side. Like what we did here, we'll also introduce our x, which will now have a positive exponent. Okay, one more step to this problem. We'll say our dy dx is equal to 20x cubed plus 4 plus 1 over x cubed minus 2 over 3. So the way this power, or rather exponent, is a fraction, we simply introduce a root for this, so you get x. The one which is a denominator is going to be positioned here, then the one which is a numerator will come this side, and we are done with our problem. Please make sure you subscribe like and share our videos for more educational content. See you in the next discussion.